Hey guys, I have a fun heart pattern for you today. I'm using 5mm 3-ply cotton rope, which is available in my Etsy shop if you are interested. There is a link in the description. For your setup, cut 6 pieces of 5mm rope. Each piece is approximately 6.5 feet or 2 meters long. Please note that after you have completed your wall hanging, you will have approximately 20 inches or 50 centimeters of rope left hanging below your work. Let's get started. Use the third cord from the left as your filler cord and tie 3 double half-hitch knots working down and to the right. Using the third cord from the left as your filler cord, tie 2 double half-hitch knots working down and to the left. Repeat on the right side of your work. Tie a double half-hitch knot with the 2 middle cords to connect the 2 sides. Tie 5 double half-hitch knots on both sides of your work to create the bottom of the heart. Tie the first 2 double half-hitch knots with the left cords, then cross 3 cords from the right side of your work and use them to tie the 3 remaining double half-hitch knots. Tie a double half-hitch knot with the 2 middle cords to connect the 2 sides. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my ropes so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.